Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another slime collection video. You're like, bro, he already did one. I know, but I actually made new slime today, but I couldn't film it because I kind of lost all the footage. I'm so sorry. The next slime I'll make, I'll do a tutorial on that. So today we have the usual slimes. Jojo Jelly, Patrick, and Beth Blueberry. Now, show our mystery slime. Should we say the name first? Yeah. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but Katie Cotton Candy. So now let's get her out. Okay, Cotton Candy can pink, blue, green. And today's slime is pink. You're probably like, that's a girl color, but it was supposed to be red, but it was too good. It became a pink color. So this is what I have to deal with. How good it stretches. Oh, I love it so much. It's so fun to play with. Look. It's that thing. Let's get the top to do. Like the top of my slime jar. Get a close up on this. So this is my new homemade slime. Love it so much. And before I go, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment if you have not, and if you have not, go get my social medias. My Musical.ly is Cole.cross, and my Instagram is Cole_cross. So go check them out, and remember to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Good day, and have a goodbye.